1. Embrace an attitude of learning. Use difficult experiences as opportunities to learn and grow. Recovering from emotional trauma or heartbreak can make you stronger. 2. Stay grounded during transitions. Recognize the stages of transition and the accompanying emotions. This awareness can help you stay grounded when your life feels like it's falling apart. 3. Incorporate positive activities into your daily routine. Set aside time every day to do something that makes you feel good, such as journaling, spending time with friends, or watching a show that makes you laugh. 4. Schedule regular breaks. Dedicate time for yourself to relax and recharge. Even a few hours per week can significantly reduce your stress levels and improve your mental well-being. 5. Understand and be grateful for your fears. Fear can teach valuable lessons, and overcoming fear can make you feel victorious. Embrace your fears as opportunities for growth. 6. Reflect on your values. When life breaks you, the values can guide you in the direction you want to go. Focus on grace, love, forgiveness, and joy to move forward without bitterness and resentment. 7. Travel or explore new places. Expose yourself to new environments to help you heal and think differently. Changing your surroundings can provide the time and space needed for recovery. 8. Talk to someone. Remember that you are not alone in your struggles. Share your problems with a trusted friend or family member, or seek professional help if needed.